Yeah. Uh, Somebody is coming. Yeah. Samba Shiva has come. Good. Samba Shiva, you are always the first. You run very fast. Your photo is also. Success comes from what we do consistently, not occasionally. Good. Good only. Lucky has entered the room. Yeah. Somebody else is coming. Yeah. Good, good, good. Yeah. Lucky. Yeah. Lucky has come. Lucky, you are traveling now? Lucky, are you traveling now? Lucky, 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 lucky. మీరు ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నారా? హలో, ఆర్ యూ ట్రావెలింగ్?
నేను ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్ ఈ అరౌండ్ ఒక 25. Yes sir, yes sir.
It's okay. No issues.
It will take
No
25
issues. No issues. No problem. Yeah, no problem. Now we will go on for next few questions. Yeah, some more questions are there.
Sir, there
Yeah.
was one question. If you selected in SBI, then what will you choose, SBI or federal? So how should we answer this?
It's a good question. Supposing you are chosen in SBI as PO, and also here, which one will you choose? The actual thing you are going to do will be to go to SBI, but you can manage this question by telling, after joining Federal Bank, I would not apply for State Bank of India. That's one. Even that answer, they may not agree with you. They may cross you by telling, no, you applied for State Bank before joining Federal Bank. You got Federal Bank first, thereafter SBI is coming, will you go? Then also you should maintain the same stand. Sir, I will not appear for the interview also after joining Federal Bank. No, you appeared for interview, you have been selected, will you go? Then you have to say, no sir, I will not go. You are telling a lie, but that lie should not be seen in your eyes. Pallavi.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, but they also know we are lying.
no, but true. But are you maintaining it correctly? No. See, the reason why you can, what you can tell is, I will lose my seniority and all that I have put in Federal Bank, and probably the salary may be more or less similar to this. And even if it is higher, I am not interested in going to that place. It all depends on the conviction with which you are speaking, Samba Siva.
Yes, sir.
For example, today that Jishnu was telling, aeronautical, they were not getting convinced. They were telling about coming over from one place to another. What is that? Aeronautical to this, they were not getting convinced about that. Another boy also said his words were not, they were not happy with that and all that. So
HDFC.
what is that boy?
HDFC, why you resign HDFC?
HDFC boy, correct. Shiva.
Yes, sir.
Shiva, even I questioned him. The first time he came to me for my interview, I said, what mistake have you done? Why did you leave that HDFC job without getting another job? So that sort of a questions, cross questions they will do. And you should not mind about that. See, actually, honestly speaking, Shambhashiva, companies employ people whomsoever they get, and who in their view are good. Sometimes they will go for a very highest rank person. Sometimes they may go for not so highest rank person also, if they are in need of somebody immediately. It all depends on our the necessity is the mother of invention. The necessity is the root cause for our getting a job, their necessity. Could you follow what I say? Sambat
sir.
Siva? Yeah, good. Now, Pallavi, are you convinced with my question? I'm sure you are not.
Yes, no, sir, I convinced.
You are
So
not
there's
convinced.
one more question.
Yeah.
Why are you not pursuing PG or UG after your graduation?
One of the
They are asking this question. I have heard 2 or 3 times
Yeah.
for this.
Yeah,
Yes.
because the one of the majority people can answer. My family, I'm coming from a middle class family, and if I get a job recently, it will be of help for my family. And my parents cannot support my studying for post graduation. It is a true answer. It is not a false answer. But only in a very rare cases, yesterday I came across a boy from Hyderabad. I don't know whether you heard that video. Sambasiva, you heard that video?
Yes, sir. Yesterday that
Yeah. That
father and mother are engineering.
father and mother, both of them are engineers, and they are staying abroad. And this boy can be certainly asked, why is he not going for MCOM? Or why is he, I asked him, why is he not going for CA? To which he said, sir, it is very difficult. I am not confident. Pakka, no problem. Then he can be asked why he is not going for MCOM. But only thing is, it is how you manage for, or the firmness with which you say, I am not interested in studying further. And even after studying further, most probably the job opportunities available are the same as that for a graduate. Pallavi, don't you agree with me? Even if you are going to do ME, you are going to appear for another bank job only or some other
Yes,
job
sir.
only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when that be the case, why should you go for further education? You can tell, but the confidence with which you speak is what is more relevant, and how you tell. Now you tell me, Pallavi, why are you not going for post graduation? What is the mark you scored in graduation?
75%.
It's a very good percentage. 75 तो बहुत अच्छा मार्क लिया. बेटा ये बताओ,
sir.
आप क्यों पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट नहीं जा रहे हैं?
सर यही रीजन था, मतलब फैमिली को सपोर्ट करने के लिए वगैरह.
अच्छा, you want to tell the same reason on account of family. What is your father?
He is medical representative in pharmaceutical company.
Acha, how many siblings do you have?
One elder brother. He is in merchant navy.
Acha, very good, very good. Good. Merchant navy means every time he comes, he will come with chocolate and all for you.
Yes, sir. 6 months here, 6 months there.
Once in 6 months, he will come and bring some chocolates and all that.
Yes.
Very good. Acha, what is his nature of work? 6 months he will be on land, 6 months he will be on sea.
He is, yes.
ओ बाबा, वो 6 months when he is on land, उसको तो पागल हो जाएगा ना, वो क्या करते हैं?
नहीं सर, अभी आदत हो गई.
He has got used to it.
Yes.
Acha, good. Maybe he'll be looking into cell phone, this phone and all that, spending time like that. Very good.
So 6 months land means holidays.
6 months he will be on, he'll be going in the sea, in the ship.
Another 6 months leave.
He'll be on leave.
Okay.
Maybe some reason, I don't know what is the reason. But you know, beyond that, one cannot be on sea for all the 365 days. It is very difficult. You will become seasick and all that. But those people, they are used to it, of course. It
Yes,
depends. Yeah. Good. Why are you not going for shipping? My question. You got yourself entangled. You got caught. Tell me
Sir,
why.
I am not interested in shipping or any like job type.
Acha. You want only a land-based job.
Land-based job, yes.
Yeah. Among the land-based jobs, which job is your
Mostly a
dream?
banking related job. My dream is to work in financial sector.
Acha, good. Are you? Will you be trying for SEBI and other jobs also? Securities.
Yes, sir.
Securities
sir.
Exchange Board of India, Reserve Bank of India, so
Yes,
many
sir.
National Housing Bank, so many things are there, but you must try other things also. Good. But the only thing is you must go on be reading. Why are you not interested in IAS? Many of the BE candidates, they go for IAS. Did you ever
Yes,
try
sir.
for IAS? No,
No, sir. No.
not attempted because you thought it is very difficult.
Yes, sir. There's already very competition, and I thought this will be something achievable for me.
Good.
IAS is something big.
Yeah. IAS, I know it's because 2 lakh people write for about 700 jobs.
Yeah.
It's very tough. That's right. And yeah, so but still some people do succeed. It depends on their ability. Yeah. Good. Sambashiva, do you get some questions in your mind now?
No, sir. Tomorrow only I have interview, sir.
Tomorrow itself interview.
Yes, sir.
So by this time tomorrow, you will be here with us sharing. Tomorrow also we will have a class like this. So please come and share your experience, Sambasiva.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, now at least you are clear what is liability, what is assets and all.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, answer a question. Tell about Federal Bank of India.
Sir, Federal Bank, actually Federal Bank is a private sector bank. Its tagline is your perfect banking partner. CEO is Shyam Srinivasan and independent director is Balram, I think. Okay, and executive director is Astosh Kajoria. And Federal Bank having the 1297 ATMs, 1272 branches, and 1957 ATMs, and more than 15,000 employees are working, sir. The total deposits are 1,72,000 change deposits, and total advances are 1,31,000 change advances are there, sir.
Good. So what is the point that has made you get impressed and join attempt for Federal Bank?
Actually, when I choose banking, I have seen the federal internship program. Actually, I want to learn. I have to learn some new things, but I want to learn in outside. They will not teach like these programs. In this program, I have seen Manipal is giving the training. I have opted for this program to learn new things, and according to my wish to join in banking, I can learn in keen.
Very good. In fact, I also saw that syllabus posted in our group, and the syllabus is very interesting. Yeah, this one, yeah, what is this syllabus? Subjects are basics of banking, business communication. Pallavi, did you see that slide?
Which slide, sir?
In our group, Federal Bank group, yesterday or so, a girl has shared. Learning structure is divided into 2 terms. Term 1 will be for 1 year, that is month 0 to 12. And term 2 will be for year 2, month 13 to 14. Term 1 subjects basics of banking, business communication, economics for bankers, compliance, then retail banking, sales and service, IT and systems lab sessions, behavioral skills. This is the first year program. And the modules are e-learning modules, model branch simulations, case studies, meet your leaders, assignments, talk with experts, role plays, classroom learning, team presentations, Finacle training. Pallavi, what is Finacle?
No, sir, I don't know.
Finacle is a software, core banking solution software made by Infosys for banks.
Okay,
Finacle. So first year subjects are this. Second year, Pallavi, you will be studying digital banking and delivery channels, banking operations, accounting and statistics for bankers, financial planning and wealth management, and then again sales and service 2. Sales and Service 1, Sales and Service 2. Next is Basics of Lending, MSME and Corporate Credit. Could you see how interesting is the syllabus? Pallavi, this syllabus is really good, as Sambasiva rightly said. Getting this much training for only 1 lakh rupees is quite cheaper, and that too with salary being paid to you for 2 years. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is. And in our in our groups, some people have posted some details and all that. Please go through that also. Okay.
Actually, sir, I think that is data of 2014, because right now subjects are little bit different.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
What is given here is 2014 syllabus.
Yes, sir. That PDF someone shared now.
Oh,
So that was 2014 PDF.
oh.
No, sir, read at latest notification only.
Okay, okay.
From the
SIP
application.
program.
I misunderstood. Okay.
Oh, maybe it is given in the application itself. Na?
Notification.
Pardon, Swapnil, बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
ये तो current.
Subject on notification PDF.
Oh, PDF, very good. You know, whatever it is, these subjects are all very interesting. But remember, you will be having sufficient work for the money they are paying. They will give you assignments. They will ask you to go on canvas so many people and then put up an assignment. They will have some role play, so many things they will arrange for it. And it will all be very interesting. And the more you participate, you will learn more. Like Sambasiva, you must participate there also, like you are doing here. You must participate and try to learn more from them. Don't have any complex, because language is not a big issue. Among a group of 600 people who they are going to select mostly, then, you know, there may be 200 of us who cannot speak well, doesn't matter, in English. And there may be 200 of us who are very good in English. So it doesn't matter about that, but try to put forth your ideas. That is what is more important. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Please react. Good.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Pallavi, you have any doubts, please ask questions.
No, sir.
Yeah. Pallavi, no doubt. No
That
doubt.
no, sir. No, sir. You
Yes.
answered all my question already.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
So he already answered all my questions. So
Acha,
right
acha.
now I don't have any more questions.
Any questions? Good. If you allow me, I will go into banking and torture you. I won't go into banking. Yeah. See how much we have studied, Bob. Bob.
Yeah.
Last 14 days, 13 days, we were going on studying fixed deposit, recurring deposit, debit card, credit card, and all that. Acha. I think here they are not asking any of those questions.
No, sir.
Yeah. Good.
They are just asking sales related question right now.
Sales related. Will you sell this? Acha, but surprisingly, Pallavi, Shambasiva, last 2 days, nobody is telling about selling water bottle, television and all that. Why?
But they said that house loan, sell the house loan. That is
Oh, acha,
that
acha.
question only, sir.
They are giving selling of housing loan.
Yes, sir.
Then what we can do, we can go to google.com and make a study, marketing housing loan, marketing strategy for housing loan. So it will be a good thing for you also. 7 great marketing ideas for home loans. But many of these guys, they don't allow us to read. How do I get clients for my home loan? How to find home loan leads in India? Go where your prospects search for the product you give loans for. Partner with sellers or agents of the product your loan is for. Partner with e-commerce marketplaces. Sambasiva, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Network or in tie-up with offices, societies, clubs, and other communities go for online marketing. See, many of the LIC agents, they are members of Facebook, they are members of Twitter, everything, and they go on be sharing their ideas. Similarly, here what you can do, you can catch hold of real estate agents who are selling properties, who will be having buyers. Through them, you can have this market. Then you can also market through e-commerce marketplaces. Then you can set up network or tie up with offices, societies, clubs, and other communities. In places like Bombay and all, you'll be having housing societies. You can join and find the secretary of that club society who may be able to give you some lead. And also you can go for online marketing. Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Pallavi, could you follow?
Yes, sir.
How can I increase my home loan sales? Before tackling your home loan campaigns, find your important points. What are the plus points of your home loan scheme? Update and optimize your mobile website. Then boost your email open rate. Then marketing to millennials with direct mail. Post visual content on social media. See, whenever you are going to see, all of you must be interested in canvassing through social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all this. And there you must post visual contents. Visual contents. Automate your marketing strategies. Step up your networking game. Networking means you get into contact with one person who will be having contact with 10 more persons. Likewise, you should increase your area. How do you market a loan? Here are 8 personal. I suggest Samba Siva, Swapnil Garde, you can search marketing strategy for housing loan in Google. That gives you so many ideas like this. Use content marketing, monitor your online reviews, get creative with social media posts, etc. How can I promote my mortgage business? Please go through that. How do you sell a loan effectively? Understand the borrower's needs. Do not give up. Maintain a level of confidence and build credibility in the borrower's eyes. Form a personalized relationship with the borrower. Offer exclusive benefits. Ensure speedy and efficient approval system. Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Pallavi, Swapnil?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So these are very useful things. How do you attract customers? Identify your ideal client, discover where your customer lives, know your business inside and out, position yourself as the answer. You must have answers for all the questions they are asking. Try direct response marketing, build partnerships, follow up. Super. Good. It's a very good. So please search, all of you. This is very, very useful. Just search in google.com marketing strategy for housing loan. Similarly, marketing strategy for car loans. You are getting so many ideas. 6 strategies to attract customers. Cultivate good people skills. And that is, you must have seen some of these people who are working as a receptionist or as marketing people, they always smile. They always smile, and even if you say you are an idiot, they will smile. Yes, I am an idiot. Likewise, they will accept. And you should go along further for achieving success. So that is what is given. Cultivate good people skills. Know your customers. Use attractive packaging. Let customers try samples. Be willing to change. Super. Hello. These points are all very important. I am posting in our Telegram group also. Yeah. Sambasiva, do you have any comment on this?
No, sir.
No.
But-
These are very, I think you have not explored this. I have not suggested you are exploring this area. Please explore from google.com and from the angle of marketing of housing loan, marketing of gold loan, and marketing of deposit products. Like that, you search, you will get lot of ideas. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Anything else? I think we may have how many minutes? 9:40. I think we will have some time. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Swapnil. Swapnil Garde. Swapnil is not there speaking. Swapnil.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Swapnil, I think you are from
Sir.
which city? Bombay.
नहीं सर बुलढाणा चिखली डिस्ट्रिक्ट बुलढाणा फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र
महाराष्ट्र. अच्छा अच्छा. आपका इंटरव्यू किधर होगा? हेलो.
पुणे में है सर पुणे में
पुणे में होगा. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. गुड 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 गुड.
पुणे
Your interview will be in Pune. How far is Pune from your place?
सर I said Pune
200
banking
kilometers.
purpose for study
2 hours. Acha, acha, 2 hours travel. Very good, very good. It's okay. Maharashtra is a very rich state, Baba. Maharashtra, Bombay, and all that is one of the richest states. Of course, Punjab is the per capita income more state, but still, yeah. Swapnil Garde. Any questions? Anybody else? Any questions interesting? Lucky, kuch questions are you are always traveling. Then anybody else? Sambasiva?
Sir, no question, sir.
Nothing. Very good. I wish you all
सर on
the
which time I give interview to you tomorrow
स्वप्निल. अच्छा अच्छा. स्वप्निल आपको कितना बजे इंटरव्यू करेंगे आप? I think this much of time must be good. What is the time now? 8:30.
sir I will give you tomorrow I don't prepare very well I will prepare today and tomorrow
Tomorrow 8:30 PM लेगा आपने?
yes
स्वप्निल गार्डे. आप हमको व्हाट्सएप में भेज दीजिए मैसेज.
okay okay sir चलेगा
So that I will know your number and talk to you. Okay. Very good.
okay sir
Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Shall I close it now with this?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Give me blessings, sir.
100% blessings for Shambasiva. Shambasiva, you have put in minimum 20 days of hard work along with me. You have done lot of work. This will certainly help you.
Yes, sir.
Now, only thing today you have to do is to revise that marketing of products of home loans. एक बार उसको revise कर लीजिए. They will ask you, do you know two-wheeler driving? Everything you say, yes, yes, yes. If they ask, why don't you know four-wheeler driving? You say, I will learn it quickly.
I will. I know four-wheelers also, sir.
Acha, you know four-wheeler also? Very
Yes, sir.
good. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.